What's up, y'all? Today's show on Quad Life. I'm going to show y'all. I don't know if y'all caught that, but I'm saying, how's it going? Welcome to Quad Life. Today I'm going to show you the universal handcuff. This is a live stream right now. Most likely it'll convert, but I'll have to film on my cell to show you how I use it on the camera. So this is a universal handcuff. I actually have two. This one, I'm going to show you how I use this one for the camera. You know, when I have to change settings, because if you ever follow me, the bullet it hit my spinal area where I'm considered quadriplegic, so I can't use my hands. I can't grip. This is basically how I stay most rest. This side is like I use it to help with balance. I can't do as much I can on this side because the bullet damage more on this side. Here's a more cleaner handcuff. Let me get it off the table. You always have to give a quad a minute. You know, we can't just grab and do things. So this is a more cleaner version of the universal handcuff. Show you that one. I'll put that one on the table as well. So basically this video, it might be quick because I really just want to show you how the universal handcuff works when it comes to when I use my cell phone. So put this here, and basically how I use this, I use the universal handcuff to eat. You know, you can put a fork in it. If you saw, it has a red thing in there, which is called, I forgot, when you press things on this, like a cell phone or something digital, you know, the screen. So, you know, the pin, I forgot what they called it. You guys out there know, let me know what it is. So I'm going to get the camera now so you can get an idea of what that one is used for and why I use that one. So this is the camera I'll be using. And I'm going to go to my other camera from the cell phone and do the video. So when this video is finished, I'll download it and re-edit it so you can get a glimpse of how it's used. So right now, I'm going to take the cell phone, turn it on, and begin filming. Okay. I just came up with this idea today, just so you can see how it's used. Okay, that's cool. I might actually have to bring the chair down some so you can actually see it. Okay. Cool. So right now, I'm going to open the cell. I mean the camera. Oh, shoot. I got the camera on auto. So I guess when they hear me say camera or shoot, it takes a picture. Ain't that cool? That's another thing. It's good to have voice activated things. This way you can basically just say something and it sets up. Okay. So now I got the camera set up. Put it over the table and put the screen where y'all can see it. There we go. I don't even have this videotaping, which I should have, right? Okay, hold on. I must have hit something. Okay, so right now it's videotaping the camera. So how I put this on, put my hand through it, pull it with my mouth, and make it tight. So now it's on there. So, okay. So you can see the screen. Now when I want to change some settings, okay, here. I just press record. Oh, the camera moved over. I don't think there's a tape in there, a disc or anything, but you see. Then I could press on the screen. No, there's no disc. But that shows you. Now, if I press menu, see, the menu comes up. So that's what this is for. This helps me. Here you go, record settings. As you see, it changed. Then I can change the settings I need. See? So that's quick. I'm not going to go through everything. I'm just basically showing you like what the universal handcuff is and how I use it for cameras. So stop the video. And then I'll let this render and edit so you can see how everything was done when I did that. So I'll be right back, y'all.